Mr. Doctor, we don't have any problem with you, but what is this weed doing in your car? And I was like, what do you mean? He said, look under your seat. What is this weed doing there? And what is this cocaine doing over there? It was like cocaine and weed in my car. And it was like, yeah, look. Yes, and I watched it, and it was there. I found the weed and the cocaine there. And I was like, what? Cocaine and weed? What is this thing doing in my car? I have no any idea about it. And besides, my car is holding me. I don't even have a name, that closest friend that I can say that, okay, I pick him, we go to party or something like that we will smoke or we will use cocaine. No. And they still insist that no, it's for me. I said, no, I have no any idea about it. And they was like, okay, if that's the case, you have to pay 20,000. Otherwise, we will send you to the station and we will send you to Narcotics and Drugs Board. And after murder, drugs is the second highest degree offense. So you can spend 15 years in jail. So pay 20,000 so that we allow you to go. And I was like, this is whack. What do you mean? And this policeman was like, I should force touch the substance. And I said, I'm not going to do it. They should wait. So I called my brother. My brother is at the Southern Command of the Ghana Armed Force. So I called my brother. My brother came with his boys and
hey kete hey when I was word 7 days me wura CAP obeko ten me wura CAP eko bodadoa e man samanfo de omu kira no kra so oya rasta anaso omu so wano tumi se me de bi ene omu so we obi atwe wi omu suspect no say akoye so we smoker obi onu wi ti de ohuni ya na se ba akode
Oguso hwe yen e wona nakase TV kumase tafo pankro no bonsuom e ho na nakase wono owo na niema otwede ampokwa amnyankopɔ ne nananom ye de dise wado ni mienu ahwere sentem ebehwe na watimi adi ho adanse sanse ye de ye ka beka se ye mora nso nye mora da nipa benya hoto benya fa ahode benya nkwa enso edekɔ emwomwo ne gentin din no tra na etre ne na wo hwe ya odofo nkom obi mbu mfaso nsisiw ansa na wahwe na kira kwan sanse 2023 wono akato sedua eden ene ebopam de tre no ntifa ho bebo no na nkunimdie enye ode gya ya sofo na kiridie na omunya isa abosonsom ye sei sei no na pre wo nkwa ene omudie ene die nyame emfie ode ma wo no wonsa entimi kana wie ya transe wanibre kwanso amise wo se kam de kojan bomiti ene sen doctor bi e won kran doctor muawo ena prosifo 9 bi e de asem bi atono so abra wo pon adwuma awo kofie ema ekoduru ba bi ma aprosifo tim de wi ene koke ekohwe doctor yi kem senye doctor awoye ena wonua yi sojani ena ye me ene wubise ya sa amerika ekofie ase be semfinsi adunum ana ase mfinsi aduo no ana ase ye koton ye fie na bible no kura ana ase mpanifo akato wo se de aye akoma emma no ena anopa mu ye den eka amra buso enti obi bebusa ase enti aprosifo wo Ghana sei na de moye sei na de mudidi yen mu aban bo mo ho ka apamontare de ahye mo ama mutuo na yakobra wu osu asompafen umienkotie doctor no a na wura hosem ene na mane a wokɔ mu a wo se bepem nei samre de ɛho ehu ene ne kra so to tie no false charge to de to no so no yenko na yenkotie bi.
guys, good evening. Dr. Patrick. I see you do. It's been a while. Yeah. Guys, there's something that happens to me and I feel like sharing it. I think it will happen to anybody. So I feel like sharing it. Okay, so this will happen. Friday, I was coming from Trasako. Then I wanted to use the motorway to hit the main road. I stay at Kwashiman so that I can get home fast. So I met these policemen on the road. There are 4 in numbers. And they asked me to pull over. I did. When they came, they said I should come down from the car. They want to search me and search the car. I wasn't comfortable with it, but I'm sorry, maybe it will be long, but try to, listen to it. It can help you. It can happen to anybody. I wasn't comfortable with it, but I feel like they are doing their work, so let me come out from the car. So I did as they said, and they went straight to my car. They checked it, and in just seconds I was there, and this policeman called me that I should come. And when it was like, okay, we can see that you have your tie, and he said, you're a doctor, right? I said, oh, yeah. Yes. I said, okay, Mr. Doctor, we don't have any problem with you, but what is this weed doing in your car? And I was like, what do you mean? He said, look under your seat. What is this weed doing there? And what is this cocaine doing over there? It was like cocaine and weed in my car. And it was like, yeah, look. Yes, and I watched it, and it was there. I found the weed and the cocaine there. And I was like, what? Cocaine and weed. I didn't know any of my car. What is this thing doing in my car? I have no any idea about it. And besides, my car is holding me. I don't even have a name, that closest friend that I can say that, okay, I pick him, we go to party or something like that, that we will smoke or we will use cocaine. No. And they still insist that no, it's for me. I said, no, I have no any idea about it. And they was like, okay, if that's the case, you have to pay 20,000. Otherwise, we will send you to the station and we will send you to Narcotics and Drugs Board. And after murder, drugs is the second highest degree offense. So you can spend 15 years in jail. So pay 20,000 so that we allow you to go. And it was like, this is whack. What do you mean? And this policeman was like, I should force touch the substance. And I said, I'm not going to do it. They should wait. So I called my brother. My brother is at the Southern Command of the Ghana Armed Force. So I called my brother. My brother came with his boys, and it was like, so you found this thing in my brother's car? And they said yes. And they said, okay, then we should, what's next? And they said, the thing is, we have to go to the station, or either he paid 20,000 or we have to go to the station. And my brother was like, okay, no problem, you let's proceed to the station. When we got there, we wrote a statement, and my brother was like, so what? And they said, oh, we should go to Narcotics and control something board. So we were on our way going, then we got a call from their commander. He said that we should meet somewhere. So we arranged and we met. When we met, their commander was like, what exactly happened? And my brother explained it to them. And my brother told them that, hey, you people, I know my brother very well. So if you people don't tell the truth, this case will go wherever that it will go. And their commander was like, my brother should calm down. I don't know what happened. My brother was seriously angry and was like, we should go and do fingerprint. No, he's not listening to anything. We should go straight out and go and do fingerprint. So we went to the narcotic and they conducted the fingerprint. And it was their fingers that is on it. When they checked mine, they didn't find any trace. So my brother called them again. He was like, hey, you people should tell the truth. We are all in this service. I want to know the truth in it. And one guy was like, hey, he is a Muslim. Inshallah, he can never implant anything in my car. And the other guy started crying. It was like, hey, we are very sorry. We are very, very sorry. We are very, very sorry. It's really that we put it in his car. And my brother was like, so you put the weed in my brother's car? What for? And the policeman was like, that's what they do to extort money from people, especially foreigners. So my brother was like, this is whack. So you people intentionally plant weed and cocaine in people's car, and later on you accuse them that it is for them, and by force you force them to touch the substance so that when they conduct fingerprint there will be a trace. Wow. Then their commander came, and their commander was like, they are very sorry. They are very, very sorry. They are very, very sorry. And my brother was like, no. And their commander was like, every amount that my brother will quote, they will pay. They shouldn't send it to anywhere. And my brother slapped him. So it turned to a fight, and my brother handcuffed all of them, because my brother came with his boys. They are about 7 soldiers, and they were armed, and they were having handcuffed on them. So they handcuffed them. Then they brought them to East Legon police station, and they said no. How the case is, they have to send them to Accra Central. And they begged my brother. My brother said, no, this thing will go wherever that it will go. So now the matter is with them. And I was able to, vindicate, and I was able to come home. Charlie, brothers and sisters, as at now, I'm still on bed. Since Friday up to now, the trauma alone, I'm still on bed. Because come and see this policeman threatening me that if I don't pay that 20,000 Ghana cedis, I will spend 15 years in jail. Imagine if my brother didn't intervene. Or imagine if I'm just a normal person who doesn't know anything, who just found himself in Ghana here for holidays or something, and he doesn't have anybody to call. These people will force you to touch the substance, and later on they will accuse you. Please, let's be very careful. Let's be very, very careful. Share this audio to whoever that it may concern. Ghana police, they are implanting weed and cocaine in people's car. And do you know their tricks? They will force you to touch it so that when they conduct a distant fingerprint, they will find your trace. And definitely you have nothing to say because it was found in your car. Let's be very careful. Ghana police are very dangerous. Let's be very, 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 very careful. Ghana police are very, very, very dangerous. This is what they are doing. And they will quote 20,000 if you don't pay, and they will start telling you that if you don't pay, do you know that you can spend 15 years in jail? When you say after working drugs and another higher degree offense, and when him says drugs, you do say bail, and they will be start saying things to humiliate you. And if you don't have, you see, at one point in time they want to seize my phone, but I have already called reinforcement. So they seize the phone, but they don't know that I have already made a call and I have already shared my live location long time. Because what they were doing over there, I realized that my life was in danger. Charlie, let's be very careful, friends. It can happen to everybody. Let's be very careful. And from henceforth, if a policeman want to search your car, please, natare na eshero na yeso ota no mane mbubu atare ni nkosro. Oh, better so maninye. Makache ni say u pese ye call police station. No mo search wo ho. And at night, be very careful. When a policeman stop you at night, be very, very careful. They can even kill you and take your car. Because they are not all yet chairman. After they catch me say, if I misbehave, they will shoot me. And I was like, wow. So I no cry shame me brother. I say police officer no catch and say, so misbehave will be kunu. After they say, oh yeah, sorry. Then their commander came. And their commander was begging. Everybody was begging. They were begging. And my brother said, no, this thing will go to wherever I want to go. Wherever that you want to go, this case will go. Say a person movement will rot in jail. People will rot in jail. Because if you don't do this to serve as a listener, you go and do it to a normal person, and that person who can't pay that money, and you force that person to touch the substance. And definitely when they conduct fingerprints, that person trace will be found, and definitely the law will deal with the person, and the person will go to jail innocent. This is what is happening in Ghana. You people should be very careful. I am still on bed. It's like I'm broken down. I'm broken down. Charlie, let's be very careful. Ghana is not safe like the past. Ghana police are not correct than police for any more. No, Ghana police for more than Okomfo and robbers. Winning as if on a shisha man for and later on they will accuse you. Charlie, let's be guided. Thank you.
I for better mo asese saa mre de audio no mo akọ na mo akọkotie na mo hu doctor mo na mane a wokọ mu na no na saa mre eye me no mienu a kade ben na ebesie ti yaba na nakese akachempani se yemfa mo ehwa na wose ye debo na semi di kan hwa na be kan ye ne na wose ye kan ye ne na wose ye ho duro na ma ye nso ye ni eda ho ne ma ahoduo bebremu ni titiru abra woni apresifo ebehia won nsem bi etise mu no ubehunu ni abaye ho ti na ye se ye dwumade na futuro ye de kyerɛkyerɛ na so afi bia to tirim to kohyia apresifo wo BBC say te say doctor Edo ko hunu ya ubehunu do ye ho na ye mo akwa aba
ye ni o
say what nia a free doctor mu a our point dwuma wo kofie enkran ena saa de yesie ti betimi asikuma se betimi asima mponten betimi asi agona wadaroma twene anim da ho aye mo nchen asemi de ka hwan na beka
Mandela adesima ba de di kaye ma munyina ha biem ene eye sebi wo kafra ne ebrada ne makrada edo twedi ampo asese wa hwe nso aboye ho ban da so te ase na ye kwa asem na pi de mesra ne se ewia so obi amon ho ban de tosu biem ene wonam a enya in the name of Jesus fa in the name of Antoanyama ayanta akonodi apape obochirewa tongo bofo tega bofo gada bofo chirama bofo wahu nso bi na ne de na de aye adwuma
akrokoto nom
na de odi aye adwuma asumdwa aba we say na no kra ni wi ase asema doctor yi e kan yi ayi nyina yeti me tuwo sesi a me bleto nya me nwa
enyo nwanwa ebi esi wanim da
me hunu bi pa
me krom de bi ade mi da wo
e be hunu bi pa de America say eye different na de di kai ye de aseda ma otwedi ampa kwa me ye nuanom aprosifo bi ebi o
ebi
me nua Chief Inspector Sapon ene agona na wo first na wotafo moro market me chia wo me nua aprosifo tafo moro market aprosifo nyina tafo formers aprosifo me chia mu nyina ewiase sabia mu nya sabia nya ado sabe kafrache papa wo ho ne bone wo
ngo mo de o mo ya didin bone ne papa wo na bone
oh papa wo ne bone wo
oh mo de o mo ya didin bone
me se papa e wo ho ene bone wo minima prosifo bi wo tafo ya metima bo mu dina kan asem se o mu ya prosifo papa o mu di no kurachi
ebi o mu hu
enye sika
wo mu so ye konfo bi a
David
wo de anto na mane
minimum beto David
ene bi o mu ye wo sa
ewiase de papa ba kan bone ba kan ontimi ntuni nyina futu fly se police ni bi anye
ena pesem kyerese wo mu hu wo pesem na gu tru so wo mu hu se wo ye konfo a wo betimi de agye wo mu amomo afu ahono a mo ato nka se
minim de me ka kyerɛ minim police for me wo police minim police ni bi Mr. Sapon no otafo moro market sesi a okɔ agona o ye ni papa nye me na me kan edom mpo ene o police ni bi wo so obo ne din a driver ni bi abubefu obi abubefu
ase obi a mo asare din ara obi a mo asare din
oh obo police ni bi din obi abubefu police for papa o pa ebi enipa ebi enokwalafo na se osabi obi akodi boni enche se obi anye
anane nipa ba
ya djuma ye konfo ye djuma yi se bi de nananu mu di nkwasasem bu nkrofo YouTube je obisika eno so to beka na konfo obi anye
tisa
David
jo
ebi num na enya papa ebi so yo o djuma yi minimum police for am me tibi de mensasim bu asimachi ma police for be 6 ya o me good ya asemba won fa ho ni sika ya wo eni sika wuni de pepepe ye do beto me pa cho
what de aba no
de aba na me ka say wiase de enkoka se ye nyina sei
yen kan de aba no wo mu de bi di doctor me si bi wo mu de bi di me
asem ye be koso ye di ufuo na no ho nkwae ye be ka wo se asem ye ya be ho sem de me pese me ma aresima ma ada satwe ma dwigina say nya police ni bia na enye
to aso
ye ni akonfo ifa ye bone asofo fa obkodo ye nkyira do yirem abanefo enhye osofo bi a ono so ye papa ye o malamu a wo ye papa
ene o papa bi ni Ghana ha o
say
sofo papa bi ni
oh ebi wo makuma mom ye papa makuma
ya fra brochirefo nbu so msese ye sofo papa bi wo Ghana
papa wo
na yate
papa wo na eye kete
papa wo na
unya ba kokura
papa wo
obefa na sa what you say enti ade de wontimi nkani nyina mum nya se me tumi ni bibi ntimi ni de me ka yo police ni bi wo wo boni din sesi a me bo se wo ni de me ka obi abubefu ene wo obi a wo boni din a won fa ho wo de asem ko police station obenya abotre obebisawo nukuru wom wo de beto won kase woni sika woni bi nene prosifo bi dum dudu ono de sika ni bre ne niam bi a o de ko police bu ntino ene niam e ko so nya papa Jamaica say nya mo me de miama sem bi yem faton madam fo fitafo bi ena me ma o koye ekohunu ka bi na ekoye swapping e de jeep ne ovan TD ene ekoye swapping ka na etundra ayi ka ya aba mu pagye
Toyota
David no private car yeah Range Rover
ana VW
VW 7 ne nkasem ya kaso wala de was for o se beauty o dis munu pa da ko bi twere de so
VW se no so ye car ye se ya pranti
Range Rover any a di Jeep any TD
ekoje Range Rover
any 20 million require swapping you ko ni ya se car na ye no any require swapping ya kwa swapping no omukoje car no de ba ya ono so je car mi no ne 20 million
ekoye no
me ko be mba na beje bi pa na car e paper no nye ne fita for kwa na omu nyintum ena me de me ekobo gaira man ye say paper na ade man ye no paper ne ye be man say paper no kama no na me de card na me so oboa ena me ankasa me wura emu na me de sa card number ma obi wa akra number ena okoyi paper no ene hu say sa card no oba bi na use card no noa range ni bi wo akra ena makoye forged document no me de ayde obi de ato no no me de ayde
ya car no
car
number mienu cars mienu ne
ti me koyi yi ne ba na sabi o se ba bia akwa nanka oman bia so a enhwemu a me ye na custom for nam echeche cars ya amfa emra kwan so amagana ye ntwemfam cars ana meboa me so de me ma ya aban adwuma ya dai amana asa akoye nhwemu ena na me hwese be ma no ba be kanyansa sem bi sabi me yapanyi na asem ni atoto bibia afi o hwan isem ena me kobo police for amane o central ye ni aye central ena ye de car no me anso me a me mpe forged ne ketase senti abo pete odini din ena pe na japade ho ban e kira say Okomfo Anokye say ka wotimu no e ntwimfamu o sori a o ka ketase hye ho asem ono to ka Anokye say wo ko wiae enipa ye be ka
ase toma no fofofo
ena mia nkasa bi enhwemu di asem ko to police fu anim na mia me sa twe car ne di si break down so to ye ena me de car ko si police fu anim ena ye be free boy ye be che boy no ye de be che boy no afi ye mfa nko ye mfamla asemi ko ya police ni a case won nsem se me ma ko hu se paper na nyakura na se ye de compare ene omu police nhwehwemu no e wo se omu so ye omu hwemu no se de me ka no se ye no kura na se nya no kura omu mla enam se mate de kura na se car ne ye akra number enti me mpes camera no mo nko akra no mo nko yi car no number emfa police yi mfa nko confirm hu se no kwe abra sabi yete Ghana ha ye ni me hwe kura ye ni se DVLA police customs enclosure fire service nyina ye Ghana government service for ya yesom oman nyina ye yi baako enti se police pe document bi a onya bo number onya fle a customs so no the number na mo a net obi ya asamre ye obi ya ma maybe the ekura yi bra mi just one day yi fra kra ma mi enso se me first camera keska o de konkan mi nua me diska yi de ma no enkra na ebeko sa bo so me miensa
wampo no
na se asemi no kra ko hopen
wampo no
ai kikiri onipa na ono waye bone no ono nam ho abra ya na omo sori omo se Ghana de nya yie dawo ye mpanimfo no ko abrochimam ko hwe ne ma ekoso abrochiri e de emfaso a abrofofa so di nya sika ekwa emfaso di nya sika taxes ni ade e ma omo man no ekofa e de ba ye bibremu ha de man ye na enso so ade abroni de ye ne ma yie ma oman no ho to omo de eno de ye mfa nya adwuma
ye peye botom
obia pe bakwasia agro na momo mpe na wo
na pressifo de omde abroso
minu ame se ye man mu mpanimfo wo de ye ka asempa ye man mu mpanimfo omo ko abrochire si ekosua nimdie ye ko fanse se ya abrofo de nya sika ekwa mfoso nya sika de bu oman no taxes ahodo ekofa de ba na momo ko abrochire omo ko hunu se broni ye wo akola yetimi hwa akola no ye supporto awofo no etua fi ni bi man kwala no ye hwe wo uni sika ye wa card ya betimi de akọ bia akọ je aduane bo so me so e be man kakra da to aduane adi na akosi broni hwe se daache omu nchirima
eme sofa
eno de omu nkofa fa ma ha o
omu nkofa bedi
de mum de kwa e be fa so a
ya mfunu be ye twetwetwe
enne hia omu ye station ye sua de o ye kira de ya ma se ebu obi achi dabi on se ka mamre amane abakosem ne de atoto enkane no ekoya ne nananom de tiasase subai ya na o de trase na ne
nta doctor ansi titi aprosifo a ne enim
wo
mu titi aprosifo a ne
o kan se wo se de
titi aprosifo a ne
ka atetesem
Ntuamunie.
Ene oko school no oko police no
No sua kro no bo.
Adwena e woni tiri mu an se koy obafa so a
Obenye sika.
Obenye
cash.
Akoy bi na eko police. Oma ye palette. Awie. Why let oba no oba ya oma ye la na wie no. Obisa police panyin no a only do omo say chief mpa chaw lie omo a ejina kwa so omo lie no wo henefa.
Police for na ejina kwa so. Omo lie we. E hobi no ope. Na is MTT for asem no waka no. Wo mu mo hye hwa ate se kwa adobi no. E hobi no ope ho so nkwan ho pa.
Ose
na beba jo omo
omo ejina ka kwa so omo lie na dey so lie. Yeba ni agwa ebeje ni so. Beti wo adwena wo dey ko police no. Ubi say obrabo papa na obebu.
Na bi. Obebu nkrofo nko a.
If you say ene obeko police a.
Ya be ju sika ansa.
Ene enkane a na obi ko police a. Yesu no height. Ye hwe ne su. Ne ban ne niema na ye de ko no. Ene fa gise otu esika. Gise obi nim. Gise oju sika. Enti nipa ne ye de ne ko police no. So ye kromfo. So ye wudini ne kro no sem na ode ni suba fo ode tifie no. Ene ode ko. Nanka obitimi hunu obi o mi sana sam nya hwe so mu ja na bobo no rough sa sam no say no kresi wonim wa poro kwa okoka
e ko
ya no ehina na eko
antoa be ko ama
wati ase
ta na obe ko ama
nti ye ka sesi Mandela na obi a ye di media asemu a ye di asemu ko police fo mitua enkran lorry fair enkran lorry fair no busumi mienu na enkran na mai enne wachina afa wi akira mia me faka me ne madam for Osman ene me kan we government servant wo Ace commission me ne koyi afa wi akira divel kumase ya ena me ame ha ka ena me police ni no ye koyi ya ode krata akoto ho a ho na ye nya yi nyina wotime bi yetime ha ka ye ko custom office so se ye ko custom akoye ye ko du custom a obi o so ode letter ko wa ko di hu djuma ye ko je letter na confirm keke no na yetime a process case no to court no eno fa me no ka se bosume ensuni enanu ya na asem no ye de akoma ode say
lawyer
da bi ye de akokoto akoma prosecutor ono be prosecute case no
7 good months
7 months
7 months
janu case ya obi abonya nsakro no de de kai ekoya ka no fa so ba o man mu kura no obu aban kwase ya de to so bienu forged documents no han ekwa me no fa so ye
ka kruya ne number
ka kruya bienu case we senko man bi aso a mi amaye hwehwemu ama aban esa de ka na ba ama aban adwumayefo kai bobo ma ba so enso mi a
wasem no
masem kronkron no oni nipa no akotue sika de ama won we ka di pi
na we kan o si bi num ye e bi be na ye
bia e make it o say e wi ase me nua se moral market Tafo police station ha enam the case ne call ya enkanyere nie
nana
me no bia make it o
be catch us moral market for police for so nye
me
trofo ne ya ye timu ne prague ya wo mu nka bi
ye ka sesi ano ofa ye wo police ni a wo entity papa ye titi ne fie o wo ko ye tunufu
wo ndo peska
bo peska ko beje ne kwan so esi according to you according from bretio ebi ye ni papa me kan se brebi na mete pasinya kam police fo bi gina car no na meteto ne yekọ mekọ techiman akoya ade amobi police ni na o gina asa car no o ti akọ we mfala yibla no de aba driver ni mfama no de aba afeni e me ekọ ne nye papa police ni ba akọ ka chene se yade a wohia no de ama wo wie de bebim ofoko no
okọ a onim toko mbeko
ono ankasa ni police ni yo because ekoya wa first person odi ni pan fa kwa no so no ba kono wo se de wo ye ne nyedai enye papa eti obi a nyamesuro woni mu obi
beko
obi a no okokura na wa ye ne nyamedwuma untimi nka se obi a nya papa
ka doctor de no bi ne yanko
Wow,
who defend wo mo dodo aka.
They defend na me defend o. They me person tell say. Ya wo papa
o free na dwuma ba. Anwumre ya be gina no. Na ya seche no di wi en koke akoto no ka mu. E fa nyansa kwa so.
Boy ba ko
so mu hwe. Na wan so mu.
Boy ba ko
dey. Wo msi kom nyan kra ko mbebo ntuo.
Ai, boy ba ko.
So wan ya ntum se koke ni wi ni ye ne di enti.
Ai, boy ba ko. Uti boy ba ko. Oba me ha. Okwa the police almost search wo a. The omu chira no class oya rasta. Anazo mu so wono tumi se me die bi. E na no mu se wo ye obi a twa wi. Oso omu search ni wi omu search no a. Omu nya hwe. Na we ye we se. Na omu ye we se. Omu suspect no say akoye so we smoker. Obi onu mi wi. Ti de ohuni ya na saba akode. Wi ni bia be heri botom.
Omu di mo omu die.
Omu de be che oro. Eti ono di hu se wo ye yi a. Wo ye obi a wo ye smoker.
Wanu kakra bia.
Obetimi aye saa de ndia hyew. Me pa cho wate de me cho na se. Ene ono wo kekere. No free nsuo be se nan. No di bodua. Odi bodua na omo ye de ekọ na ye no mu ja no. Oh,
dia no so ka chom so mu nya dwuma ntentem.
Enti ye ka
kum bi ntentem free.
Ye ka nyina no. Se si ade de eniam aye koso de. Ene ye ne ye bambofo no kra no.
Mo ma ye hu.
O minu anya papa. No kra de ba akopɛ. Enye papa na emom de me pesa me ka e ma ate won se bletu enye wo mu nyina o nye wo mu nyina what is said dia nia obenya bia nyamesuro wo mu ye tete no wo kɔ ne papa ne ma be atunufo what you say ene e wo de
papa tunufo kra na girl be tunufo bone
oh na le girl be tunufo asa bia se de suba wo ti se nyinse ye fancy
bia wo kɔ no ko
what you say na esi ade man yi hu ne ye sesi asa me ami ni bi ene to me a
Yankopon na atuo mu kam ko nya obi a ne nsem na na chi obi a wo de saa de no ko
enti no kura Yankopon anim ni yan krofo ne de dodo no a me nua ne ma ekoso de en sha da nya papa ya sesi a case a me kan boso me nso nti da be ka che police ni say sesi a de mu yeyi mimi mpo ena mu ye sei na obi hunu bi ya rekade na mbe ye mo sori na obi ye obi boni a ne se nipa ne kotua no so ka mo se
wode mrashe ne nsaba koye boni na baabi ye dwane ko asem so bari adi assembly mu a mo hwa asem ne nka na di ayi ena me ka che ba akore se me minima drop pa minim papa ne boni pa na emom boni ne nipa ne ye no be pese me hunu se mra e wo man
mu fisade a ode ye me no obetumi di akwakwa nipa fro ena me hu se saade no mu de du obi ache bet pese me stop no
nya sa ka betumi
atwa nya saade a eye kitwa bi metuma maka bona manewu metuma ma wo be kana manewu
okana mo ongu
metuma mo akoto fidie bi mu a obehwe ase metuma tu na duro ama moja fi nenu manewu na就so no ye meche me anya hwe na emom no be pese me ma pepepe ye ehunu because bone na omadi no makoma hunu se enya me nko ana omadi aye omadi adi me enam se dwumane omudi no omakofa santwimfamu ka na omadi adada obi uya na omahunu hunu e ko police station no makotu asika oma ye se subai no a ba me e be stop sanye sa kete he wona wo se wo dere 7 days minye wura asie pie obeko content minye wura asie pie eko bodado a e man samanfo Mandela
o ba be fa na ko
me bodado man samanfo minye minye nkoma diri nyina wie echi aduonu ba yi no a na minye nkoma di wie esi botono de ka dadoa no eje kira de to nam de ko bodua mu a 3 days na dua na ase udua no wu ya bewu enso so bone enya de papa
obebu ho akonta
obenya ho akatua me ne kwakua mo chi ni asem
usuo kwakua mo chi
enti de me pesa chese me pesa me mamra ene pepepe ye edikai na mo bone na nipa no waye no eje ni asunsun aso de
ebe ba no so tu aprosifo bi a wo hwe no otie ye fo sase nye nipa nyina na betim de adi wo mo afo mu ho die
ena saa de we ya omo ye no enya papa se police ni hia na omo petrol no na odin se wura botum na otu botum enya papa madam for police ni bi me ka saa asem ne kire no se me pa ne chew won hwe ye na se bi a omo ko operation bi na odin sa kotu obi botum se otutunu botum ayi do mfo bi se wura obi botum da
yo me na mo
obi botum o enye botobia
eni etumu
me wa ade bi wo me ho me saa de ni me tu kwai bia e wo me ho me ko dwaboya de bia e wo me ho saa de no se me what te said de wo do nsa so mu what te said de afento
condemn guy
what te said de afento nam ka che saa de we ye ko patrol police ni ko hia o mo mutum botom me yanam se o me pa cha o me ye panyin ba ko se wo ye panyin nti de bai na hwele saa na masere enti me ne ye ya ba ko no ba na me hu se ba ko ba na fe na me se uni nana na de ha na me so me besini ko srim e kwa ya ade o si ja no ye panyin pa jai enti o ke na me ka cha na me se maramfo na me ka cha ni me se wadan unua no tunu focus a kire no if you say enye ni pa bia na e ka se ni mbasa basa ena enye obia na betimi no nsa
akotum
because oye saa de no a metimi aye ekwa bia ma me ni na hia ama me de ade bewura mbuto ma me nsa hye mu a okofie okwaku o te se de o don nsa kan bewu me ba kura nkasa kura ma wo don nsa kan bewu kopim se obewo na me ya amamle na ma wo edo be ko be ade akoye kwaya wo se me yema no wati ase ti nye nipa nyina ena ye omo bone nye nipa nyina police ni hia wo na omo bo search na obe search na aka se bia wo ye me bia me ye panyina o kan de oye badwemba oye yi no so nana oye me ye sorry we dey say but obo wa enam se ye nuanom binumo adane enkwasiafo ne mmuafo a akromfo na adafo a omodi nananom ato omo so akomfo ye bu nkrofo nti eye smogre ni ade nti no wo ye komfo kwa na aka so ye komfo a police ni still opeso force no tutu botom
o say wo gumbotom
ye say wo tu mi botom na ade a eni ese botom say ade eni na ebe ye wo what you say ti nyu bia ti ka cha madam police ni say onye bi da wo be so tu botom ka cha ni pa na say
me pesa me search wo
na ono a entwe moto no nya dai enyina amra simple
say bibi wo mu a
bibi wo ma say be ya to ogu but wo ti mi fa san ko che obi botom ti boy no say wo me ye na omo ade wi ni hye ni botom
enti de omu ya
no friend so ntino we na me ka tina me ka say we no en shada nya me nwanwa but me nuan ma police fo am ye sa ne man de me pa chaw atade na hye wa e dan so wo sabi woni ni pa mu but wo wura atade ni gu ha wo ye police ni
wo ye ordinary person te say
wo ye nipa e te say ye
wo so me nkroma
wo ye soldier ni wo ye police ni wo ye de ekura no a hunu say wo ye nipa ye wo say de nipa no nam ho de wo no memfa sabi sabi nam tumi a aban de ama wo
ana watale ye hye wo
eni atade ye hye wo so de be hunu obi ebebu obi kwasea de be obi wiase de ye wo akura eni ye wo akura eni ye wo akura pa eni ye wo akura kron asampa na me ka kire wo enipa enam asase su no obi anko eni baby ofire nipa enam asase su nyom nyina na enipa ebi ya akọ ebi ya moa ebi ya asase bode nsie ebi ya asono ebi ya nsuo ebi ya honhoma hodo hwe eduro edwada abo bi te se ekọ asebo asono asisire ejata omutimi tu omose edane nipa etibiam eba otomfo ho ye ka otomfo a obi obodade ose ade ebe si omose emoa nyina wo enti saade ukoye ne ma bi de tia no wadwene ye ose nipa ene wakoye ne body owu na mpanimfo se wahia de osunsuo ene wabo no aka agu na abehia de osonsa wotwa bia ma ni so ayehie no no de befe so timi nuan ma police fo ade a me de mesra mu ane se ewiase ye nyina ye nipa nye nipa nyina na ye omo bone owu akola bi ene ka kire ne wofa da bia ne wofa ne bono oso wofa bla wo bumi jai na wanhwe yi a dakoro wabom ya nopa wo na meso mebu anadwo ne wo fare se wakoka asema yenka wo so akora nim ne tu ne wo fare da hwa wo huni anse aba piu ade chere hu nyina bia
bia
wo huni pa so ni hu nyina bia o
ya nga wo se ne
na nim nyina o na nim nyina bom fufunya enti wiase de
na hokwa
obusin obi adidi a ono so wona enti wo ya ade bia
hweni
na wahweni bi enti bi nuan ma police fo me pam chew e ya atade e na hye wona am wasesa owura atade no gu ha ye nyina ye baako e na aban na di tumi di ama wo tumi a odidi ama wo no moma no kure ye hwe wo ye police ni na se wudi no kura me ka kire wo obenya japade kwa enhira wo mu me fa akonya we so me chia me ankasa me lawyer Pobi we senior lawyer Pobi se lawyer fo nyina ate se wa ko bi ni hawo me lawyer se wunya case na de koma lawyer Pobi a etie fo mo amohwe me abrochire achichire ne benchire ye wo asem bi na asem na edi a me so de hwe lawyer Pobi a chire kwai na me lawyer onim hiani eni onim sikani se wo do asem tu nanim na mpo unibia wo so no de obebo twetwa agyew asempa na me ka kire wo lawyer Pobi wa de nyina wo somfo na wo ya de kese me fa akonya yeso me chia wo ewiase de obi ye bone ye ka nye bone ne ye ka na ha obi ye papa wo ka wo ye bone so a wo ka obi ya de a manamo na onipa ohunu hiani ne mobrofo emoboro ono no oyi onyankopon nipa na onipa ofum pesika timi ne onma prosifo me sramo ebinom ya mode mrasem nsam ni atade hunu nipa no wan sakra da krope binim police ni bia obo obi asum kai ehwana ne nsa no atwa kochem wa hunu nipa ni biem eya asem sebe
yama pia ewo sansemi enso emu ti yemi ani na ho na asani anana eka no in the name of Jesus Christ no mu ya de no ti ofre kwaku firi nom ne anyanta no ne ho ahwan a ipakro no ho be posi chechecheche ne yemi ani na ho ne ayeye bi sanse de ebedua no eno ani betwa bi de breto ba kwasi twesi Mandela wo so a onye polisi ni wo so na mo ano wa mo ani ada ho yeso hia polisi ni wo so de ne se hwe botomu a wulenom se empene da biara da ka yen se wa wo don sa be hwe botomu ayi ne wo ho de ayede aba nyesa wo de wi ni koke e be tu botomu opani yeso obanyansafo yi tunofo yen kana se yakra mo yekọ